This is Abdul here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install Windows Server 2019 step by step. So let's go start the tutorial. So from VMware Workstation, I'm going to create a new virtual machine. So here you need to select typical. Just give next. So now here we need to select the the ISO file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select it later. So I'm going to select it later. So I'm just creating with a blank hard disk. Give next. So here I need to select the Microsoft Windows version. So Windows 2008, 12, 16. So I'm going to select me select Hyper-V unsupported. Let's see. Okay. Just give next. So here I'm going to mention the virtual machine name. C2019-01. Okay. Okay, so this is the server name I'm going to create. So below is the location where the virtual machine is going to store. Give next. So the hard disk I can manually edit, so I'm giving 40 GB. So here I'm going to select the first option, store virtual disk as a single file. So I'm not going to split the disk to the multiple files. Just give next. So here is a summary report of your configuration. You can even customize the hardware. So click this one. So here I'm going to remove printer, sound card. So the processor I'm going to select 2. So memory I'm going to select as 2 GB. Just click close. Just give finish. So you will be getting created DC 2019-W09, the server name. So you just now you can see the device with the configuration details here. So you just need to edit this virtual machine. Click here. Is to add an ISO image 2019 ISO image file. So I'm going to select softwares. So here is ISO file for 2019 4.93 GB. Just give OK. So here you need to connected power on. So this is the option you need to select. Okay, by default it will be selected. Just give OK. So once this is done, you can power on this virtual machine. This will start loading your Windows files. So this is Windows Server 2019 setup. Just give by default. I'm just going to select next. Install now. So we have the editions. You're going to see the standard edition, the standards, and the data center edition. So I'm going to select the second option with desktop experience. Just select the second one. Just give next. You need to accept the license. Give next. So if you are going to planning for an upgrade from 2016 to 2019, you can select the first option. So since it's a new fresh installation, I'm going to select the custom option, install Windows only. Select that one. Here you see the drive. So just give new. You apply. You will be creating a partition. So drive 0 with the partition 2. The partition 2 where I'm going to install the OS files. So the installation started. Let's see how much time it took. 20% completed. Let me expand this window. Okay, what are the other stage? Okay, so I think this will be better. Percentage completed. So picture is getting installed. So updates are getting installed now. It's almost going to finish. So it is in final stage. Okay, here we go. So the Windows will restart within a few seconds. So it's getting rebooted. It's almost done. So during the installation completion, it will take several reboots to complete the installation. So that's what we are seeing here. It's almost done. Okay, here you go. So I'm going to select the password. Finish. So we'll be finalizing the settings. Yeah, we are done. Let's log into this server 2019. Let's see how it looks. So let's click this file explorer, this PC, this is the YSO file mounted. So it's similar, you can see the interface looks similar to server 2016. Let's go to the properties. Yeah. So here you can see server edition with the configuration what we have provided. So the two processor and the install RAM. Okay, here so we have completed the Windows Server 2019 installation. Thanks for watching, viewers. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.